Welcome to part 3 of our 6-part Essential Oils 101 series, Safety First. Essential oils are powerful, and it's important to use them correctly. In this video, we'll guide you through the essentials of safe usage, from dilution techniques to best practices for topical application. Always dilute your oils with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil before applying them to your skin. And remember, some oils, like citrus, can be phototoxic. Avoid sun exposure after use. Always remember, essential oils are highly concentrated and a little goes a long way. Because of their potency, it's crucial to dilute them properly before applying them to your skin. This is where carrier oils come in. They act as a base to safely carry the essential oil while moisturizing and protecting your skin. Carrier oils like coconut oil, jojoba oil, and almond oil are rich in nutrients and gentle on your skin, making them an ideal partner for essential oils. For instance, when using an essential oil like lavender for a relaxing massage, blend 1 to 2 drops of the essential oil with about a teaspoon of carrier oil. This ensures that the essential oil doesn't irritate your skin while still delivering its wonderful benefits. For sensitive skin types or children, it's a good idea to use an even lower concentration to stay safe. Now, let's talk about phototoxicity, a critical safety tip for some essential oils, particularly citrus oils like lemon orange and bergamot. When applied to the skin, phototoxic oils can increase your skin's sensitivity to UV rays, potentially causing redness, irritation, or even burns when exposed to sunlight. To avoid this, always wait at least 12 to 24 hours after applying phototoxic oils before spending time in the sun. Alternatively, you can enjoy their benefits through diffusion or in recipes that don't involve skin application. By taking these precautions, you'll enjoy the full potential of essential oils without worry. Remember, safety is key to unlocking the amazing benefits of these natural wonders. Proper use ensures you'll enjoy the full benefits of essential oils while avoiding any unwanted effects. Be sure to explore the other videos in the series for more tips and insights. Like, share, and subscribe to make the most of your oils.